We stop, we assess, we see what's going on. So then we fix it and we start again. I'm Manuel and work for Citroën. I'm a commissioning engineer. We're here to commission 6 fans in this station. 3 for exhaust and 3 for supply. It's a process that we do together because they need to commission more things at the same time. So I'm commissioning the fan, but they are also checking the electrical and many more things I have no idea about. There are 3 main stages. First, we come and inspect the installation. So how they install the fan for us to verify that everything is installed as expected. Today, what we are doing is the operation. So we call it bump test. So we check rotation. So the fan will be blowing in the correct direction. Then we gradually increase speed of the fan from 30% to 100%, stopping every 2 or 3 or 4% to measure the vibrations provided by the vibration sensor installed in the casing. And then once we have all this spectrum covered and we know that the fan is operating as expected, then we also measure 4 aerodynamic duty points. So we measure flow and pressure for 40% speed, 50% speed, 75 and 100, just to confirm also that the fan is giving and providing the expected airflow and pressure. And then the long run testing, which is the last one, which we leave the fan running for at least 2 hours or more, and we check how the temperature increases with time. During those tests, we take around 50 measurements of temperatures, vibrations and airflow. All of it is coming to the control system, which is actually protecting the fan.